So we're moving from Module 12 to Module 13. Now Module 13 actually finishes up all of the information about heat enthalpy and heat of formation. And in this one, there's another form of some more equations. You're going to learn about Q is, again, it stands for energy. You're going to learn about Q per mole, and this ties into reactions. So you can actually use this term, and if you know the Q, you can use that to do more and more of these fun factor label things. You'll also really pay attention, make sure you're aware of those terms and what signs go with those terms, because one's positive and one's negative. And then you've got this big kind of fancy looking equation here. This comes back in Gen Chem 1 fairly early on, so if you can try to get yourself to remember this for that point, it'll be really helpful. But that's a summation. So basically you're going to have all these little numbers that are for the product. You add them all together, and you have all these little numbers for the reactants. You add them all together, and then you subtract them. And then the very last part of this module is Hess's Law. And so this is kind of like the lighter module of the week. There's only the one topic. And in Hess's Law, you end up adding up your different energies. So if you have reactions like this, and then you have another reaction that's like A plus C goes to D, you're going to learn how you can actually add the things that are on the same side and cancel out things that are on opposite sides. Again, add what's on the same side. So that process of being able to manipulate the equations and seeing how that affects each equation's delta H value, because you have to do something to the delta H to do that conversion. That's all Hess's Law, and that's what the very last topic is. This module has one homework period, so that's something else that you want to know about it.